So now we have arrived at our final method, method 3 of the expanded notation, which is breaking down method. With the breaking down method, it is important to know that only one number is broken up. Once you've written down your number sentence, which is 26,431 minus 15,718, step 1 would be to estimate. So 26,431 estimated to the nearest thousand gives us 26,000. 15,718 rounded off to the nearest thousand will give us 16,000. Therefore, 26,000 minus 16,000 will give us an estimated answer of 10,000. Important, remember, you do not need to write this value out. You can simply calculate it in your head or write it out on a scrap piece of paper. Step 2 would be to first write down the first number, so 26,431. And then it is important to know that we break up the second number into its values. So we say minus 10,000. Take note, we use arrows in this method to indicate the next step, not equal sign. We will only use the equal sign at the end. So there's your 10,000. There's your 5,000 broken up on the second value, 700, 10, and your 8, which obviously comes from this number over here, the second number. So first number minus your 10,000 will give us 16,431. This number then gets minused there, so 5,000 gets subtracted from this number, and that will give us an answer of 11,431. Ignore the green for now, it will be the next step. So 11,431 minus 700. We know that we cannot say 400 minus 700. So to help us calculate, we go and borrow 1,000. Get rid of the 1. What remains? 0,000 remain. So that becomes 10,000 there. And then we take it over to the hundreds, and it's 1,431 minus 700, which will give us 731. But we cannot forget to bring over that 10,000 as well. So there we go. That answer, that 11,431 minus 700 will then equal 10,731. 10,731 minus 10 will give us 10,721. Minus the 8, again, we cannot say 1 minus 8, so we need to go and borrow from the 10s. Get rid of 110, take it over to the 1. What remains is 1 more 10 left. So it's now 11 minus 8, which will give you 3. So 10,721 minus 8 will give us the final answer of 10,713. That is step 3 to calculate. And also important to remember, use color when you've borrowed. This helps us indicate where you have borrowed. And then the final step is to rewrite the whole answer out below. So the final answer is 10,713. We then go back to our estimate and see if it was close. And in this case, it was close.